It's noon. And I still have to finish this painting. This one's a little bit different. It's for my nephew, Josh. He just turned 25. 25 years old. Man, where did the time fly? It's crazy. I've watched that little boy turn into a grown man. I just want him to know how proud I am of him. Josh has never been the loudest person in the room. Honestly, that's because he grew up with 4 Peter's sisters. Good luck getting a word in edgewise. Oh man. But while the rest of us are chatting, Josh is just quietly figuring things out. If something breaks on my computer, man, before I can even explain what's wrong, he's on it. He already has it fixed. Man, I think I'm actually more nervous giving this one to Josh than I am a complete stranger. Maybe it's because Josh knows me. Maybe it's because when someone means this much to you, you just want to get it right. I just hope he likes it. He's been helping me build this crazy dream of mine. Somewhere along the way, this little young boy, he's becoming such a great young man. And today, I just want him to know how proud I am of him. Looking good though. It's looking good. I think he's gonna love it. He's gonna love it. It's funny, it doesn't just mean something for him. It means something for me and the family. He introduced us to exploding kittens. Ah. Oh, TikTok, TikTok. I gotta get this done before he gets here. Come on, Sandy, come on. So much time. Why do I do this? Why do I wait till the last minute? It's like a do-over every single day. Every single day. I knew when his birthday was. Should have had this done weeks ago. He's here. Time's up. Let's go. Happy birthday, Josh.
Thank you.
Are you feeling old?
Wasn't until you said that.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Must be ancient now. 25 years of chaos.
Show your mama and grandma. What do you think?
Well, I don't know yet.
Oh, you gotta open the other one first.
Oh, the other one first.
Yeah. You know, there's rules. There's rules.
All right, let's.
I want to get over here.
Ooh.
Ooh.
A 10-year anniversary exploding kittens. That's real good.
Nice.
We'll have to open that up and play it later.
Yeah.
Bonus.
You'll have to kick my ass later.
Yeah, exactly.
Pretty much.
Ah, perfect. I'm opening it up so I can see the back of it first. It'll be great for the reveal. Oh, that's real nice. Yeah, that's really good.
Did you like it?
That can take a while. Yeah.
25 years of chaos. Yay. Yay. I'd hug you, but I got a cold.
Yeah.
Want to play a new game, Mama? She's like, hell no. Woohoo! 25 years of chaos. And I wouldn't change a minute of it. Happy 25th birthday, Josh. Send your prayers up and your roots down deep. Love you, bye.